Hello students, let's continue the lesson Mahatma Hansraj Simple Living and High Thinking. In our previous class we have discussed the first para of the lesson. Now see, we'll start from here. Mahatma Hansraj was born in a Khatri family which was respectable but not very sound financially. It is being said that he was born in a Khatri family. Students, Khatri is the name of caste. And this caste was, his family was a respectable one but not very sound financially. It is being said that they were respected by the people but they were not that much rich. Sound financially means they were not that much rich. So obviously his childhood was a long story of poverty and want. So what happened? Since his parents were not that much rich, so his childhood was a story of poverty and want. Poverty means he was not that much rich, he didn't have that much money. So obviously there was want. Want means dearth, lack. Here want has been used in the sense of scarcity. When he finally graduated after a brilliant academic record, his family was keen that he took up a remunerative government job. And when he graduated after a brilliant academic record, it means what? Brilliant academic record means he just performed very well in his schools and colleges. So his family was keen. Keen means desirous. His family wanted him to take up a remunerative government job. Students, remunerative government job means job in which you get a handsome amount of money as a salary and put an end to the financial crisis. Students, his family wanted him to take a government job so that the problem of financial crisis could be solved. And that financial crisis was being faced by his family. But inspired by Mahatma Dayanand and his beliefs, Mahatma Hansraj was very much inspired by Swami Dayanand and his beliefs, and that's why Mahatma Hansraj proposed lifelong honorary services to the cause of the Anglo-Vedic education, and that's why he decided to do honorary services. Honorary services means, students, when people work without any money. Okay, so he decided that he would do something for the Anglo-Vedic education. Okay, his family wanted him to do something else, but something else was going on in Mahatma Hansraj's mind. His dream was realized through the sacrifice of his elder brother Lala Mulk Raj. Student, I just want to tell that he has elder brother whose name was Lala Mulk Raj. Whatever Mahatma Hansraj has achieved, credit goes to his elder brother and his wife. See how his dream was realized, means his dream comes true because of the sacrifice of Lala Mulk Raj. Now we will see what did Lala Mulk Raj done. Look, he just generously offered to share his meager monthly salary of rupees 80 equally with his younger brother, because it's possible, because he, means Lala Mulk Raj, happily agreed to share his meager means less, monthly salary of rupees 80 equally with his younger brother. Here younger brother refers to Mahatma Hansraj, means each and every month he just gave him 40 rupees. When Mahatma Hansraj's wife realized the true loftiness of his ideals, not only his elder brother, when he got married and when his wife realized the true ideals, loftiness of his ideals, she too willingly offered to support him by adopting a simple lifestyle. She never demanded anything from him.